Hi everyone, I'm Ranumathi, member at Shivi Forensic Science. Welcome to my presentation on the topic of impression evidence. Let us see their MCQs and their explanation. Move to the first question. Which of the following is an example of a latent impression? And the answer is option C. Does shoe print on a tile floor? And their explanation. A latent impression which is not readily visible, so it requires enhancement. Does shoe prints on smooth surface or classic latent impressions? Which lifting technique is most suitable for a dry dust footwear impression on a smooth floor? And the answer is option B, electrostatic dust print lifter. It's electrostatic dust print lifters which recovers dry dust impression without damaging the prints. Question: which impression is formed when a shoe sinks into soft mud? And the answer is option B, plastic impression. It's an impression, three-dimensional impression which is formed due to soft materials like mud, clay or snow. Fourth question: which material is preferred for casting footwear impression in soil? And the answer is option B, dental stone. A dental stone is a stronger which provides better detail than ordinary plaster of Paris. Fifth question: individual characteristics of footwear includes, and the answer is option C, random cuts and wear marks. Wear cuts, scratches and embedded stones which develop during use and are unique to a specific shoes. Sixth question. Class characters help determine, and the answer is option B, manufacturer and model of the shoe. Class characters are features which shared by shoes of the same make and model. Moving to the seventh question. The best instrument for comparing tool marks is, and the answer is option B, comparison microscope. A comparison microscope which allows simultaneous view of question and known tool marks. And the eighth question. Striated tool marks are commonly produced by, and the answer is option A, screwdrivers and crowbars, as sliding tools which produce parallel striations useful for comparison. Evidence is useful for identifying the make of a vehicle, and the answer is option B, tire impression. Tire thread design is a class characteristic that helps identify vehicle make and model. Question: which should be done first before collecting any impression evidence? And the answer is option B, photograph it with scale. Photograph preserves the original condition before collection. Thank you.